Hello guys, so welcome back. So today I'm going to show you that how you can restore deleted files from OneDrive. So for example, I have this document and accidentally I delete this folder files. So when you delete anything from OneDrive, it goes to recycle bin. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can recover deleted files. So first of all, we need to sign in our OneDrive, and from here click on recycle bin. As you can see, I have a one document which I have deleted now. So select the document and click on restore. So it's restoring. So it successfully restored one item. So go to file and refresh. Okay, so just refresh the file, and here you can see, so the file is recovered and we can open it and we can keep data up to date. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.